Yeah. Anyway, back to T-Mobile. Ooh, what's going on here? Okay, that's March. Okay, so I am going to keep an eye on T-Mobile. I'm gonna keep an eye on T-Mobile for right now. That might be one. I want to get something that's gonna jump off before the end of the challenge or whatever. Bear market finna catch us in a second. Next month, August and September. August and September. So I'm trying to, and I also want to pick some stocks that are kind of all over the place for diversification purposes. Cigna, BlackRock. What BlackRock talking about? BlackRock was stupid. That's $1,000 a share. Thank God, thank God. Chevron, QQQ. JP Morgan, 297. All right, let's check it out. 1.77. Oh, I know. Check out Uber. Let me see what's going on with Uber. And then we'll come back and check out, what's that thing where y'all get y'all coffee from? Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks. Okay, that what Uber got going on? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in Uber. But first, I want to look at Starbucks first. Let me look at Starbucks. Starbucks got some stuff going on. Okay, let's see right here. It's 83, 75, so about 80. Right now here, 142. No, not yet. 90. Uh-huh. I like Starbucks and Uber. Yeah, I like Starbucks and Uber. If I had a choice between Starbucks and Uber, what would it be? No, hold on. You know what? I forgot. I got some stuff written down. Starbucks and Uber. Hey, diggy, where's Hey.